Arting! Welcome back to Arting Tips. Today we are making paper flowers for your Day of the Dead altar. You are going to need some crepe paper, which is the one that comes in a roll. And without unrolling it, you're going to draw some circles all the way down, and you're going to staple the circles right in the middle. You have to give it 2 staples to make an X in the center of your circles. And we are now ready to cut out the circles. You can use those fancy scissors that have like a decorative edge and skip the next step. I'm using regular scissors here. I'm gonna show you my shape scissors. Those are the ones that have like a decorative edge. If you use regular scissors, you're gonna have to cut tiny lines all around the circle. When you finish cutting the tiny lines, you have to ruffle up the petals the way you're looking at me do here. You should also ruffle the petals if you used a decorative edge scissor, like that one. Now we're gonna start lifting paper by paper, and we're going to pinch them in the middle. You have to wrinkle it up and pinch it in the center to start forming the flower. Take your time. I find this step to be easier when I put my flower down on a table, so I can make some pressure in the center of the flower and actually pinch the petals and make them stand up. It is very important to do this step 1 paper at a time. That's gonna give us the best result for our flower. And you have to make sure that you do this on every single paper, even the very bottom ones. Once you finish, you're going to ruffle up your flower, open it a little, and we have our paper Cempasuchil. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao!